Yeah, so this is Wisconsin right now. Day 2 of being stranded. Thankfully, I didn't opt for the super cheap hotel, but this has been pleasant. They've been very nice. They're trying to get us some food today. So, all in all, glad to be warm, safe, fed, etc. This parking lot, they had completely plowed yesterday, and there's probably a foot of snow on it now. And this 𝐀𝐫𝐭𝐒𝐜𝐢𝐞𝐳𝐤𝐥𝐲 entry here was completely plowed and shoveled, and you can see what they had to do this morning. Alrighty, y'all. That's Wisconsin. That's what's up. Bye.